Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a Packshot effect for your image on Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to go to higgsfield.ai, scroll and choose the app section, then scroll down and choose the Packshot effect here. Now this is what the Packshot effect looks like. A slow camera panning forward, and it clearly shows the product. Now this was the original image uploaded. You can see the image, and then we can see how the effect turned out. So if you have a drink business, a something you want, yeah, a drinking business, or yeah, for your product, you can do something like this. For that, you can upload your image product here, then um click on not generate image. You switch this to video, and click on generate video, and in the next within 15 seconds, not seconds, 10 to 15 minutes, your video would be ready for download. Now all you have to do is to hit the generate video. But another thing to note is that it takes about 16 credits for your video to be rendered, which means that you can actually use this effect with or without a premium or paid account on Higgsfield. And this is because Higgsfield AI allows you to generate 2 free video effects every day. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to our channel. We're actively trying to push past 5,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys.